Hey guys, what's up? I'm here in the wilderness and I'm about to touch this big tree. Look at it. Okay. I'm scared. Is there bugs?
Be one with nature, yes.
Aww.
Yes.
The whistle. Okay, bye guys.
You excited?
Mommy.
My sissy. Oh, there's my dad. Hi, boy. Hi, boy. Don't know where I'm gonna sit. Somewhere over here. Oh. Time to play Tyler. I want to see the back.
Who is it?
No, I'm just recording. Having a little vlog.
Jose is running. Jose.
How tired are you from this road trip?
I took a nap in the back.
Sis, you look depressed.
You have to look straight ahead, Amani. You have to look at the road so you don't go like that.
I'm not deep
Like this.
That's boring. That's a little boring. Mommy wants you to honk.
Oh.
Hang one.
Scared other people.
Basically, this is our home. We come out to our beautiful, amazing, expensive door. We're gonna cook, and this is our kitchen, and this is our outside area. So wonderful. So wonderful. God, it's so cold. I want to go back home. I want to go with my friends. I want to go back home to Cali. Cali's so amazing. Don't know why people move out. Oh, I have my hair puffed down. No wonder it's like that. Okay. This is the outfit for today. Body low-key tea.
Oh, yes.
I think everybody in my family left too. Bye, guys. I watched the last vlog.
Yay!
I really liked it. The only thing I would say is to show the environment more for But me and my sister was saying like, oh yeah, we didn't know like if bears like, what's it called? If they, what's it called? Hunt for deodorant? Or I'm like, girl, do I really need to put away my deodorant because I do not want to be stinky. Do bears really care about deodorant? Like, wouldn't they just care about food? But everybody's saying that we gotta put our deodorant away, so now we need at least stink. But sure, I'll show them the little aesthetic. Our cabin. Guys, I have no internet. No, I can't call any of my friends. Probably an exclamation point on my face.
Meeting trips are really good.
And we are in the dark. And I'm in the dark going crazy. And Coachella's this weekend. And today Sabrina's supposed to perform. But I already saw. What the hell? But I already saw all of them. I just wanted to see like their outfits. I know Justin's probably gonna be another hoodie.
I thought he already performed at Coachella, no?
Yeah, he did, but there's 2 weeks of Coachella.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah.
Duh.
So it's gonna be the same thing, but it's like different outfits. So when I get home, I'm probably gonna just see Sabrina and Justin's later. But I know when we're on the road, I'm gonna see Karol G. I'll be like, "Doop da doop da Oh, you know what's the guy? Somebody come get her.
Ray Shrimmer.
Yeah, he was playing.
It's
Shimmer something.
it was only one guy because it's two guys.
No, it's the guy that does the Spider-Man.
What's his name again? What the hell is his name? Sway Lee.
Sway Lee, yeah.
Sway. What is that his name?
Yeah, and then he does the what's the other thing? That's something else.
Vivi, when I was in high school, everyone was listening to Ray Shrimmer.
I basically knew all his songs. And then he came out with that one girl, the one skinny girl. What's her name? She does the one that's like live in this dimension, you and I have been
Jhené Aiko?
Yeah. So she popped out. That was cute. He did the "You was sunflower." I think
Post
it never
Malone?
be too much. Yeah, but I guess he was on the same song as him for Spider-Man. And then he brought out his kid. I can't see anything right here. We need a cow. It's kidding. Hello out here. Update. We're dying. Aww. But we're dying. It is, don't know how many degrees. 0 degrees actually. Like 30. Wow. 30 something. My grandma just has all of these. Yay! I'm sleeping with them. And what's it called? It was burning my fingers, so I better burn my fingers right down to the bone, to crisp. Because I can't feel my fingers at all. I can't feel my nose. I can't feel my eyebrows. I look like, when did this pimple get? Everything's going wrong. Everything's going wrong. Keep it, guys.
Look.
Oh, okay. Wow. This on the vlog.
Go. Good. You're good. Okay. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Vámonos.
We went, I don't know how long the hike was. It's very long. My thighs hurt, calves hurt, everything under hurts. Waterfall over there.
And then we got the rapid, all that noise.
Yeah, so I don't know if you can hear me because I low-key need my microphones. Low-key need to get microphones. Oh, but that's okay. Now we're walking up to the waterfall to get closer to see it. My legs hurt so bad, but you know what? It's okay. Oh, VP.
You want to take a picture next to this old tree? Yeah. You think it was lightning? You think so?
The way it's cut, they definitely didn't do that professionally.
Oh. Yikes. They're struggling. Hey guys, we're back and we're at like not a restaurant.
Who has similar personality?
Yeah, it's just like a sitting area. We're not gonna get back to the campsite when it's like dying, like cold, like nada.
Which one?
So basically,
Can I do your braids?
and don't know if you can hear me.
I'll do
You
all
probably
black.
can hear my
I'll go
mom
get
and my
them.
sister talking about some braids. And there's supposed to be some bomb pizza. So I could probably insert a picture. And if I can't, then the next live will be
They would appreciate your braids.
But that's
Michelle Obama.
I was wondering who these people were.
You look beautiful.
That was low-key scary, baby.
They'll probably be like, oh my god, you look